ladies and gentlemen, this is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video review, and today we are going to get into my June tray. Yay! So if you're interested in seeing what's on my tray, just keep watching. Hello family, welcome back. Hey, welcome back family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we spill sip a little tea from here and there. Yo sis may go live. It's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all. I hope you all are doing so well. Well, look, we are into my favorite month of the year, and that is none other than June. And it is Gemini season. Honey, my birthday is coming up, and I am so excited. So we are going to get into this tray for June. And if you're new to this channel, I do this each month just to show you all what's going to be on my tray. That is not to say that I will not steer in a different direction, because I have been known a time or 2 or 20 to steer in a different direction. And yeah, and on that different direction, it is not on my tray, but she is going to be on my tray because I have been rocking and wearing her a lot, and she's still packed in my suitcase because I just got back, you all, from a much needed vacation. So I just got back, so I got to catch up on the catching up, but it is still in my suitcase. I could have got it out, but you know, this mind, you all know how it is. Sometimes when you're just trying to get stuff together and you forget. And I'm just not about to cut off this video just to go and get it right now. I'm just not going to do that. Okay, so I am talking about none other than Miss Ambrosia Imperiale from Navitus in collaboration with the AI the Great. She is definitely going to be on my tray for this season. I've been wearing her a lot. I took her on vacation, and so I'm going to add her on this tray. I didn't take her out the suitcase, y'all. It is what it is. Been getting compliments on it. It is a great banana rum scent. Oh, it's just so good. It's great. It's projecting. It lasts long. It's just everything. And she will be on my tray for the month of June. So let's move on. And we don't do notes on this video, you all, just because we just don't. I mean, we just don't. We gonna get into it during the month, you know, possibly with some of them, but we're not gonna do the notes on this type of video, okay? Because we just gonna run through these really quick. I don't want to make it so long because you know how your sis is. She's still talking. Anyway, so I'm gonna put Annabella's birthday cake on my tray, and I got that from Lucky Scent. And if you all remember, I got this. It was on my wish list. Now I have not rocked this, but I was waiting for this lovely June season to wear it for my birthday month. And this is not, I purchased this from Lucky Scent, but you all, this is a cake scent, but this is not a blind buy purchase. I would definitely suggest that you try to sample it. I got mine from Lucky Scent, and I was able to sample it before I purchased. But I will say the sample did not give me the actual true thing that I got. I mean, a little bit. So I still get the cake, but there is this latex scent in this that I think possibly might be a turn off to some of you all. But it's not a turn off to me, but it is a very interesting scent to put in a fragrance, to say the least. You know, latex, what? But it does give you that kind of balloon birthday celebration feel. So again, I like it. I'm rocking it on my tray for this season, but if you are interested in it, I would try to sample it. You know, if you like it, cool. If not, I do understand, you know, why that might not be a fan favorite for some people. Anyway, so we're going to go on to MFK, and I could not do any birthday tray without putting Miss Baccarat Rouge 540, the Extrait version. And I have my Miss Maison Francis Kurkdjian MFK Gentle Fluidity Gold on here. I definitely wanted to put both of those on my tray because to me, Like if I do something, or during my birthday month, if I do something, I think that those are just like so much of a luxury event type of fragrance that to me would be an easy reach, a no-brainer to, you know, definitely use. So definitely want to add that for my birthday tray. And I have none other than Tamarindo, and this is from Memo. This is this coconut pineapple. I love this luxe coconut fragrance. Honey, this is everything, okay? Get this. If you don't have this in your collection, I would highly suggest it. If you're going on a luxe vacation, you know, if you're going to Mexico, if you're going to anywhere, I don't know, you know, you might be going to the Cayman Island. I don't know where you all, Jamaica, wherever you are at, or wherever you are planning on being, honey, I think that this will go for any luxe vacation that you are trying to do. The Maldives, wherever you trying to go, this will be a perfect fragrance for that. I put a lot of different Zara. Actually, this was going to originally be like a Zara tray, but I decided to splash in some other things because I was like, I don't want to just wear Zara. I definitely wanted to get some other fragrance houses in here. But I do have quite a few Zaras that I want to be rocking. So I have Unexpected Joy. And this is from the Captivating Memories collection. And this was in collaboration with the Jo Malone. And as you can see, it looks like her current new fragrance bottles with the little kind of circle cap on there. But Unexpected Joy was one of my favorites. And then also this energy vibe. I definitely gonna need some energy this season because I plan on getting turned up. You know, that's my... It's a little bit higher of a pitch on that turned up, but when I'm out, it gonna be right, okay? But I plan on needing some energy for this month for my birthday, so I definitely wanted to put that on my tray and just to kind of rock out with that more. And that is a citrus but fragrance, this energy vibe one, but I did enjoy it. So we have Tempting Paradise, okay? And this is from Sofia Vergara. Honey, this is an affordable option. I would highly suggest you get this. This is definitely a tropical scent. I think it was perfect for this spring. I think it's an easy reach. So if I just go out, do a quick errand, I think this would be good. Me rocking it in the house would be good. And then I also, to keep on that tropical feel, this Luminous Nectar from Zara. I love it. Honey, I love it. It might not be a fan favorite to some, but I love that fragrance. And I don't know, I haven't seen it on the site, so I don't know if you can still get it, but if you see it on Baccarat or something, I would highly suggest that one. I absolutely love it. Then I have the, Queen Coco Mademoiselle from Chanel. I decided to put that back on my tray. I just feel like I want a bedtime scent. I feel like I want to do a little luxe bedtime, and I feel like she would be my good old bedtime scent. Cause she pretty, okay? She a oldie but a goodie, and she might keep the party going. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, mind your business. Okay, and then I have from the Harmonist Yin Transformation. That is just such a fresh luxe, honey. That is everything that you need, ever wanted. Get that, okay? Then I have Balenciaga. I have Floral Botanica from Balenciaga. I love this one. I love the cannabis note that's in this. I love just the freshness that this also gives. I think this is perfect for the summer. I think this is perfect for my birthday month, honey. Okay, if I wanted to wear it in the house, if I wanted to wear it out, cool. Then we moving on to Kayali. Now look, Kayali Vanilla 28. Okay, now this one is a fan favorite, okay? Now, I tell you why I don't have much of a dent in there. Because I just haven't, I haven't reached for it a lot, right? This is a layering one. And I said, you know what? I'm going to make a very great effort to put a dent. Okay, a really good dent in my Vanilla 28. Because it's not that I don't like it. I don't know. I just don't reach for it as much. So I want to start to layer this with a lot of my different fragrances that I have here. So I definitely want to put a really good dent in the Kayali Vanilla 28. Okay, and then we have this beauty right here. I think it's pronounced Kurkdjian, I believe. This is a very good, I just recently talked about this one. But Kurkdjian, like that is so good. When I tell you just like a a citrus, but a citrus that also has that sweet note in it. So this is my only Louis Vuitton fragrance that I have, and I definitely want to get my nose and my coins on some more, but I'm, you know, taking it easy on it. But I definitely want to get my wares out of this one because I really enjoyed that one. That one stood out to me more than some of the other ones, but there were some other good ones too that I want to get, but that one had to come home with me. And next I have the Love Ocean de Goria, and this is from Giorgio Armani. I love this one. I love the salt note in this. I love how ocean smelling, like beachy smell that it gives. And it's not like a tropical beach. This is like really gives me like the water vibes, right? Oh, I just love it. Get your nose on it if you don't have it. Highly recommend. And then, of course, another event one I wanted to put on. So this was from Fragrance du Bois, Santal Complete. This is such a pretty luxe, like, event scent. And definitely wanted to put that on my tray as well. Because I don't know what's going to happen this month. I don't know if I have some dinners or where I'm going to do this month. But I just wanted to be well prepared with fragrances. Okay, you know what I'm saying. And last but certainly not least, honey, I had to put mango skin back on my tray. That is such a good mango, and I love mango. I'm into mango. I just wanted her on my tray. I wanted to get some more wares, even if I am layering mango skin with my vanilla 28 Kayali. If I layer those together, I think that that would be just such a edible, just a lovely fragrance pairing. So I'm just going to get my feels out of this, honey. I am so excited about my birthday. I'm excited to see another year. I just thank God for me to be able to see another year. And I am glad that you all are a part of my family. Thank you so much for just your support, your comments, your thumbs up, like everything that you all do. Like, I am just so appreciative. I've never expected to just find so many people that I just vibe with, you know, and are actually my sisters, my aunties, you know, and if you all are new to this channel, the reason why I call you all family, like, you know, we have friends, you know, they aight, but I am so close with my family. I have a very large family, but I just feel like I come from a family background, a family type of environment. Like, I don't know what else to sometimes call people that are just really close to me. And I call them family, and I consider you all family. You all don't have to watch my videos. You don't have to support. Like, there's totally a lot of other people that you can, you know, vibe with. But I'm appreciative that you all decide to just stop on my channel to support me. You know, it does my heart good. Like, I am so appreciative. You all just don't understand. And I love the love. I love you all being my family. And you just stuck with me. We stuck with each other. We here. We in this together. Okay? We in this together. Okay? Well, make sure, family, you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what you're going to be rocking for the month of June. I would love to know. You all know I love to know. So let me know. Make sure that you comment down below so I can get to know you all, and make sure that you are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, what they say? Yo, sis just did. Bye, family. I love you. See you Wednesday. Bye.